So in this section, we will see the research trends and open issues. So the data analysis have a significant contribution to IoT, and therefore to apply the full potential of analysis to extract the new insights from data, IoT must overcome the major problems, and these are categorized into three different types, that is IoT data characteristics, IoT applications, and IoT data analytics algorithm. So starting with IoT data characteristics. Now the data are the basis of extracting knowledge, and it is a vital to have the high quality information. So this condition can affect the accuracy of knowledge extraction in a direct manner. And since IoT produces high volume, fast velocity and varieties of data, preserving the data quality is hard and challenging. So, though many solutions have been and are introduced to solve these problems, none of them can handle all the aspects of data characteristics in an accurate manner because of the distributed nature of big data management solutions and real time processing platforms. The abstraction of IoT data is low, that is, the data that comes from different resources in IoT are generally of which format? That is nothing but in the raw data format. So that is not sufficient for analysis. The wide variety of solutions are proposed, while most of them need very much improvements. For instance, the semantic technologies tend to enhance the abstraction of IoT data through the annotation algorithm, while they need more efforts to overcome the velocity and volume. Then comes the IoT applications. So the IoT applications have different categories according to their unique attributions and features. So certain issues should be proposed in running data analysis in IoT applications in an accurate manner. First, the privacy of the collected data is very critical, since data collection process can include personal or critical business data. Second, according to the vast number of resources and simply designed hardware in IoT, it is vital to consider the security parameters like network security, encryption, etc. Otherwise, by ignoring the security in design and implementation, an infected network of IoT devices can cause a big crisis. Then the third open issue and research trend is IoT data analytics algorithms. So according to the smart data characteristics, analytic algorithms should be able to handle the big data. That is, IoT needs the algorithms that can analyze the data which comes from the variety of resources in a real time. Many attempts are made to address this issue. For example, deep learning algorithms evolutionized from the neural networks can reach to the higher accuracy rate if they have enough data and time. Deep learning algorithms can be easily influenced by the smart noisy data. Furthermore, neural network based algorithms lack interpretation. This data scientists cannot understand the reason for the model results. In the same manner, semi-supervised algorithms which model the small amount of labeled data with large amount of unlabeled data can assist the IoT data analytics as well. So, these are the basic three research trends and open issues which are having the major problems, and we can overcome the major problems if we are trying to extract the new insights from the data. Thank you.